Are you tired of one size fits to all solutions that just don't fit? Now say goodbye to the frustration of trying to make generic software work for your unique business needs. Hi, I am Nishtha, introducing Odoo SaaS Custom Plans, where flexibility meets efficiency. Clients can pick only the apps they want, avoiding unnecessary clutter and paying only what they use. Plus, no extra apps will be sent. With Odoo version selection, the clients can choose the Odoo version they prefer, like 15, 16 or 17, giving them control. And with the option of set up multiple Odoo versions in Odoo SaaS, the options are limitless. Now let's dive into the workflow. But before that, make sure to subscribe to our channel and tap the notification bell to stay updated with the latest content. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. Now as you can see, we are on the Odoo backend panel, and with the help of email and the password, we're going to log in. Enter the email and the password and click on login. Now on the left hand side, there is the home menu option. Click on this and navigate towards the settings option. First of all, we'll check how you can configure your custom plan page. So for that, we'll click on this custom plan page option. Here you can see the first option is provide version selection. From this, basically you can allow your customers to choose Odoo version as per their requirement. Select apps view. You can manage your apps view on the storefront like normal, categorical. Provide user selection. From this, you can allow your customer to choose users. Per user cost, you can enter the per user cost here. Maximum users. Provide free users. If you want to provide your customers free users, then how many number of users you want to provide them, you can enter that here and enable this feature from there. And if the customer exceeds this free users, then only they have to pay this amount, whatever you will enter for per user cost. Provide discount. From here, you can enable your customers to provide any kind of discount on their annual billing. Now we'll show you how you can configure the SaaS kit. So for that, we'll navigate towards the home menu again and click on SaaS kit. Here you can see the option of configuration. Open this and click on Odoo version. Here you can see the list of the Odoo versions which we have created earlier. So for creating a new Odoo version, just click on this new option, and by entering these details, you can be able to create a new version. As of now, I'm going to show you the existing Odoo version which we have already created. So we'll choose any of the Odoo version. You can see the title name, DB template. If you want, you can also allow your customer for this deploy clients on remote server option as well. After doing this, you have to enter the server name and the priority of the same. The next is template product. These are the options basically you have to provide for creating a new version. Now again, moving back, we'll check the modules now. Click on this configuration again and click on modules there. Here you can see the list of modules are there as per the Odoo version. The versions are there on the top and the modules are listed below. For creating a new module, you have to click on this new option from there, and here you have to enter these details like module name, technical name, description for your module, module category, you can choose any of the module category, Odoo version, you can choose the Odoo version from the top down, and the price of your module, add-ons path if you want you can add, and the module type. Basically, if your module is of Odoo, so you can use this core module, and if it is of third party, so you have to choose this custom module for your module type. And after entering these details, you can save your modules by clicking on the save option. And now moving back, now we'll see how we can purchase any of the app from our storefront. So click on this home menu again and go to website option. Here you can see the option of select your own apps. Open this. There is a list of the apps which are already there. So you can choose any of the apps you want to add or you want to select. Just choose the apps. And on the top there is the option of billing cycle. You can choose the billing cycle monthly or yearly basis, and the Odoo versions from there which are available. So you can choose any of the Odoo version whichever required. And now click on this buy option from there and pay with demo. Again click on pay option. Your payment has been successfully processed. That means the order have been placed. So after placing the order, you must have received an email from which you have logged in. As you can see, I have received an email on my email ID. We'll click on this create your domain name. And here you have to write down the domain name. Click on select and continue. From there you can be able to create an instance. Instance successfully created. That means the instance have been created, and now we'll again move back to our panel, and from there we'll click on this my account option. Here you can see the option of SaaS contracts. Here you can check the contracts which you have purchased earlier. If in case you want to purchase any of the apps in between the contracts, so you can purchase the app as well. For purchasing the app, open your contract, and here you can see the plus add option is there. Click on this plus add apps option, and from there you can select your app, whatever app you want, and click on this add apps. The app will going to be added with your contract, and the billing of this app will going to be added in the next billing cycle. And now I will show you how you can log into your instance which we have created right now. So we'll again move back to our instance. Here you can see the option of reset password. Click on this reset password option. Now you have to enter the password for your instance and click on sign up. Once you have reset the password of your instance, you can be able to log in into your this instance, and here is the dashboard, and from here you can enjoy your journey with Odoo. Ready to transform the way you do business? Contact us today and let's customize success together. Found the video helpful? Do press the like button and share your views in the comment section below. Got a questions or need any help? Feel free to contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. See you all in the upcoming videos. Till then, thanks for watching. Stay tuned.